Alright guys, welcome. It's Friday. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I come up with videos in the mornings. I also come up with videos in the evenings. It's called IPO Market Watch. We do not just cover IPOs. We also cover regular stocks trading in the market, because at some point there used to be IPOs also, and there's no point in stopping just on the day they go public. Yes, so that's the introduction. Alright, so like I said, it's Friday. Monday, the stock market will be closed. But I will talk about a stock that I can't help myself. I really have to talk about this stock. I think it's very important. I think it's very awesome. Doesn't mean that is something you should invest, trade, even look at. That will be all up to you after you see this video. And with that being said, we'll cover that. The reasons is why I want to cover the stock is because it's trading very cheap. It has a very cheap valuation. It has a business that's, it's in a booming business that will always be in demand, and I think that this business will get very interesting in the winter coming up. And what else? The revenue growth is insane. Debt is low, and yeah, there's a lot of positives. Before I get to that, Tuesday, May 30th, don't forget, we have some earnings to watch. I specifically think that HPQ is the ticker symbol, Hewlett Packard Enterprise. Those are two stocks that I think are very interesting with the earnings coming up. We also have Kenvue, which was also a recent IPO that I covered. The quiet period will end, which means that analysts are free to give their ratings, which probably won't even matter really, but that's that. And then you have one of the members of my Discord is in love with Faraday Future. All right, so on May 30th, Faraday Future Intelligent Electric, FFIE is the ticker symbol, will hold the FF91 and Faraday Future 2.0 conference. They're getting ready to launch that vehicle. Supposedly, I believe it, since you have to believe until you're proven wrong, right? So they're getting ready to launch that vehicle, which will be interesting. I want to see how many sales they get for that vehicle, So that'll be interesting. I think there was a time a while ago, back in 2021, 2022, I don't remember exactly when, the Faraday Future had some kind of collaboration with Palantir. Also on May 31st, guys, C3.ai, I'd be watching that also. So that's very important because of the whole AI trend. This is something to watch. Now, one more thing before I get to the stock I want to talk about. If you want to join my Discord, we're doing really amazing, really amazing. When you join my Discord, you basically have access live pretty much to anything I buy and sell, as I always let people know about it before I buy, before I sell, the reasons and so on. You also have access to over 900 traders. Everybody talks and helps each other out, and a bunch of things. Live news as fast as you can get them, probably faster than anywhere. All sorts of things. So it's pretty awesome. If you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. So we're going to talk about ProFrac Holding Corp, or I should say I'm going to talk about it, and you can watch. I hope you'll watch the whole video. This is a really cool company. Now, I have done actually a video in the past about ProFrac Holdings, and I did a big, deep analysis into the company, a review, broke down everything financially for the past 3 years. So I would suggest that you watch that also. Now, as I'm doing the video right now, it's at $11.42. It's late in the market. Soon the market will close, and then we'll have the after hours and so on. I don't know exactly when I'll get the video out. Probably in the after hours the video will be released. So 11:42 right now as I'm doing the video. The PE ratio of the company is 4.81, but the forward PE ratio is 31.5, and I like that. 4.8 for PE ratio right now, forward PE ratio 31.5. There's a reason why the markets look forward to a PE ratio of 31.5. If you look recently, Goldman Sachs 3 days ago said it's overdue and it's time for the oil prices to start rising. It might not happen now, right? But I do believe this fall, winter and so on, that the oil prices will go much higher. And that's a big plus for this company. This company doesn't drill for oil, right? It does not drill for oil. It does something else. So ProFrac Holding Corp is an integrated energy services company. It provides stimulation services, propane's production, and other complementary products and services to oil and gas companies in the United States. It operates through three segments: the stimulation services, manufacturing, and propane production. The company also manufactures and sells high horsepower pumps, valves, piping, large bore manifold systems, seats, fluid ends, and so on. ProFrac Holding Corp was founded in 2016 and is headquartered in Texas. And the other important part about this company is the latest insider buys. There's big insider buys lately. So today we had this. Both of these things were reported today. The one is right here, which is ProFrac Holding Form 4 filing, shows that Dan H. Wilkes bought 734,000 shares at an average price of $12.01. This came out today. Also today we had THRC Holding twice buying at an average price of $12.18 and an average price of $11.94. For the $11.94 average price, they bought 511,000 shares. At $12.18, they bought 222,000 shares. They spent a total of $8.8 million, right? $8.8 million, and then the other guy here spent $734,000. These were pretty much reported as of May 25th, May 24th, so very recent, huge insider buys in this company. Just in the past months, energy stocks have shown weaker performance compared to the overall market, right? Oil stocks, anybody who invests in oil stocks right now, natural gas stocks, you see now in the past months that they've been very weak and have not performed well compared to the rest of the market. That's going to change, in my opinion, right? That's going to change. And I think the insider buying that I just showed you solidifies my opinion. You know, it makes me feel more sure about what I think about what's going to happen and where we're headed and where this company's headed. So concerns about a potential recession persists. Certain cyclical stocks may experience a decline if the overall economic situation deteriorates. However, this company stands to have a really good growth ahead. First of all, the company has strong free cash flow, low valuation, and a near future ahead that points to the oil and natural gas prices going higher than what they are now. I also like something else about this company, the composition of the company. The institutions and corporation, it makes up pretty much like 95% of the shares. And then you have insiders, which is very, it's right there, which is, it's good and it's fine. We don't want the insiders to be like, 50, 60, 70, 90% of the shares. I wouldn't trust that. And then the public retail investors is very tiny. You see that red right here. So we have retail investors interest in this company at 0.9%. You have the insiders at 4.9%, corporations at 36%, and the institutions 57.5%. Smart money doesn't want to lose money. Smart money does lose money, obviously, when they make mistakes. They're not perfect, but they're stingy and they're careful. And sometimes when you see them piling into, corporations, institutions into one stock, I think that's good. Other people say, well, it scares me because what if they dump? Look at a stock, for example, and, I'm a retail investor, but I'll tell you the truth. Look at a stock where it has like 95% composition retail investors. Usually those are penny stocks, and penny stocks that end up doing huge dumps and so on, right? I like this composition. Let me know in the comment section below if you like it or not. So the fundamentals of this company are actually very strong. And when the oil and gas prices start to recover and go higher, I think that this stock is going to surge big time. Right now it's trading at 11.42. For example, I think that this stock can easily reach 21 with the right conditions, and I think that those conditions will come. The premier growth-oriented, vertically integrated energy service company, I like that they're vertically integrated. They provide the pressure pumping, propane, manufacturing, investment technology, everything in one. Attractively positioned with diversification across customer base and basins, so they have all over the place. Now the company seems to be giving a lot of attention to this one, the Haynesville So this one is set to grow a lot. They said they're going to be there's going to be a lot more business in that. So we expect the Haynesville to be a source of future opportunity. Large portfolio of premium natural gas powered fleets leading in the basin footprint creates opportunities, and so on. It explains here. Now, if we look at the revenue of the company in 2020, they had $547 million. 2021, $768 million. And 2022, $2.4 billion. The revenue is skyrocketing. It's awesome. If we look at the total debt, it's at $1 billion right now. Cash growth is growing at 550% growth. If we look at the analysts, they're giving it within the next 12 months a minimum of $15 US, inside 1143 right now, so that's amazing. So yeah, with that being said, like I said, I have done a deeper review and analysis of the stock. You can watch that video. ProFrac Holding Corp, ACDC, I think is a stock trading very cheap at 1142. Is at the bottom right now at 1142? Probably not. I'm sure it could probably go lower, maybe 1040. I would be shocked if it went even lower than that. I would really be shocked. But I think that this is one of the stocks that I personally feel, I like it. I feel comfortable investing in this. This is just my opinion, of course. I could be wrong. I don't know. There's always risks that we can never think of sometimes. Let me know in the comment section below what you think. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Share the video on your social media because that really helps. And it could also might help someone else. Maybe somebody else will see this video and they like it. And I wish you all the best. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.